guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to do a simple cornrow. So what I do is I already pre-parted the hair. So what I do is I take a comb and I take a little piece out, move it out of the way, and then the hair that is left, I part it right in the middle. The reason why I do that is when I start braiding, I want to control where the braid falls, meaning like when I start braiding, when I start crisscrossing the hair, I want it to fall in this line right here, because I don't want it to be like all over the place. So that's why I do it like that. Once you do that, you can start braiding. So the piece that I had out, I part that piece into 3 sections, just like this. So it's 1, 2, 3. So then I take I hold it like this. So I have 1, 2, and 3 pieces. So I take the piece that's in the middle, I crisscross it with the piece that was on my right hand side, and then I give the one that's on my left hand side to the right hand side. I hope that makes sense. And I repeat that same thing over and over again. How you add the hair is that you take a little piece, you can use your pinky finger, take a little piece, give it to these 2 hands that are biting this hand in the middle, crisscross it, and do the same thing on the other side. Take your pinky finger, give it to the middle. Hope you can see very well. And then crisscross it. Take a little piece, give it to the middle one, crisscross, and just keep repeating the same thing. Take this, give it to him, and crisscross. So you keep repeating the same thing until you finish braiding the hair. As you guys can see, the braiding pattern is falling right in the middle part that I made before I start braiding. That's exactly where I want my braid to fall. You keep doing this. Now when you get to the part where there's more hair, you have to make sure that your fingers are a little bit firm so that the braiding doesn't come loose. You just continue. As you can see, I'm getting to the point where there's more hair. So you have to make sure your fingers are a little firm without pulling your clients or the person whose hair you're doing, without pulling their hair or without making it too tight. And you continue. All the way till you reach the back of your client's head. Same thing. Take a little bit over here, add it to this, you repeat it. Now once you come to the nape of your client's hair, you have to be careful because that's a sensitive part. So once you get there, make sure you don't pull the bottom part. Once you get there, just be a little bit careful. And voila, you got a simple cornrow. Okay. See how it's almost kind of like stitch braid. We're gonna get into that on my next video. So this is how I do a simple cornrow. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.